Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 16 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Now let me go back, and here we have to scroll down and find the option which is called Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Let's tap on it. As you can see right here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So in my case, it is half an hour, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. We can tap inside the graph and we will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the total time, the screen time in particular days of the week. You will be able to compare them, of course, by tapping on the specific block. Moreover, after scrolling down, you can see the time that you've spent on different apps with, this is simply the details of the screen time. Moreover, you can tap on the specific app. For example, the settings. And again, it will be transferred to the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Moreover, we've got something which is called ways to disconnect, and I will not discuss all of them, but maybe app timers. So let me tap on this option. And as you can see, we've been transferred to this list with the apps. And if you will decide that you're spending too much time on the specific app, you can simply kind of turn it off. So for example, camera in my case, let's tap on this hourglass icon, and now we can set the timer. So for example, if I will set it for 30 minutes, it means that I can use this app for a half an hour during a whole day. After that, the app will be blocked and the timer will be reset at midnight, which means that tomorrow I will be able to use it for 30 minutes again. But of course, we can also set it for 0 minutes. Just tap on OK, and now we can see that this camera is a little bit grayed out. It is actually transparent, and after trying to open it, we will see this information that sorry, but the timer ran out and you can try again tomorrow. Obviously, it will not work tomorrow because it is completely blocked, but I think that it is maybe not the perfect option, but it's decent if we are trying to limit the time we are spending on the specific app, for example, social media, or I don't know, any other app which consumes a lot of your personal time. Of course, you can quickly turn it off just by tapping on settings, and here tap on the trash bin icon next to the app timer. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.